And we are back. I found the file. Let's check it out. Okay, you are supposed to increase... What are you supposed to increase? The X coordinate by 30. Should be argument 4, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2... No, it's called... Oh no, it's argument 3. Okay, need to close this. Alright. Let's see if this shit still works. Yeah, it works. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Now one important thing is that the ambulance needs to be in the middle. So it has to be there, I guess. And this should be it. It might seem like a lot of trouble to get the scripts running and the copy pasting automated, but in the end, it absolutely saves time. You can believe me in that. There we go. Woo! That could still be a little bit higher, I guess. But now I would have to change 25 values. Okay, that can be a lot faster. Like maybe 50 frames. Ah, that might be too fast. Let's see. Ooh. It's a little bit too fast. Let's try 70 frames. Or maybe 60? I'm not sure. Let's just use 65. No. 65 is still too slow. Too quick. Needs to be higher than 65. 75 maybe. That looks cool. They're not traveling perfectly in a line. I could fix that, I guess. Do I want to fix that? I guess I want to fix that. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's try this. Alright. Let's see if that looks better. Oh, no. Not quite. Let's try this. Almost there. I think 1 unit more. Alright. I think pixel perfect it would be with... Do I really want to move on this level? Yes, I want. Alright. How much of a difference is that? It's 45. This also explains my naming convention, by the way. Also, I think I should give you an explanation of why this actually is working the way it's working. So, we are spawning an instance of team 0007. That's an empty instance. But we actually need to do this. We need to spawn the empty instance because now we can work with this team name. We can everything that we call by this team name before spawning a new team of the same team name. You know, that's an instantiated stuff. That's instantiated stuff, sorry for bad English. So basically we are reserving the team name for the script. When the script is run again, because it's repeated however many times, it spawns a new team of the same name, and this script will then only direct this new team instance. It will not control the other team that we spawned earlier, even if it's the same name. So this is basically it. We are spawning in a new instance of the team. We are putting team members in that just spawned instance. Then we are spawning in the medic with a name. Then we are calling this team instance and only this team instance to follow exactly the path. Then we are removing the slower. Then the script is repeated and it starts again. It spawns a new team instance. Only this team instance is filled with new members. And that's why they follow the road separated from each other in these blocks. I can show you what happens if we do not spawn in a new instance every time. Then it would be entirely fucked up, but you will directly see what I mean. Yeah, and not many mappers know how the team instances work, actually. And now you will see it's absolutely all over the place. Because now all are addressed with each spawn of a new line. And they're trying to follow the path as a team. And the team formation is all over the place. And the center of the team is somewhere around here. So each time they're turning around, trying to find their center. And ooh, what the fuck? That's weird. Normally that should all turn at the same time. But as you can see, that's not very pretty. But we are after very, very pretty. We want things to be very fine looking. Right? Even if it's just a rough map. Team. Create. Spawn. So let's spawn that dummy team again. It also doesn't really matter where you spawn it. Kaabuses doesn't really matter. It absolutely doesn't matter where you spawn it. But it needs to be an existing waypoint. Cut that also. I think even if you remove the waypoint name, it will work. Let's see what happens. I think if you don't put in a name for the waypoint, it will just use the coordinate 00. Oh no, actually it doesn't. Alright. So there's some sort of failsafe mechanic in that script, at least. So, now you will see it's all pretty again. There you go. Ooh, and also it's pixel perfect. Almost. Yes, that looks very nice, actually. Alright. That wave's done. Let's do wave 8. What is wave 8 supposed to be? Let me think. I feel like it's time for a filler wave. Something that's not aggressive. Like, I think I have an idea. Now that I got my coordinate script running again, I can just do things a little differently. I'm thinking about workers upgraded with shoes, because they cannot be killed by mines. And if we spawn them by coordinates, yes, that's what we're doing. We are going for workers with mines, with shoes upgraded. I think they will die if they run over neutron mines, I'm not sure, but that's good enough for me. That will be a lot of coordinate spawning, but it will look really funny. You will get it in a minute, what I mean. Okay, let's concentrate. Enable 9, enable 8. All cool, all good. Let's use this one. We do not need this lower, so we can delete this. We can also delete this. We can delete this. Let's just use a singular one for now. Change team name. Change this. Change this. Change that. Increase this. Oh. Okay, the interval. I'm not sure about it. Let's leave it like that for now. Also, we can delete this shit. Oh, also there's... Yes, that would be funny. There's small workers somewhere. This one, I think. Is that a small worker? Somewhere there's a small worker. Oh! There's a small worker. Alright. Cinema cheering worker it is. Oh, I still don't know about the coordinates. Aha. Right. So, since we are spawning with coordinates, we can really bunch them together to make it very funny looking. Might also... Oh yes, we can also... Oh, I have a very good idea for this. This will be a funny wave. Right. Oh shit. How am I doing that? I want a rough estimate what it's looking like. Oh, yeah, I know. Let's do it like this. Maybe they're piled up together. Maybe that's enough pillage. What I meant to say is I can make the distance between them as small as I want it to be when I spawn them by coordinates. Let's see what happens. Also, we have to consider lag. Because after all, we are spawning in like an army of workers. How many is that? 225. Yeah. Alright. I think that's more than enough. So that's 7. This is 7. Then this should be 15. Right, okay. So let's start with this one and increase it by 10. And we want to use the cheering worker because it's small. It's used in some mission where like there's an army of people cheering on the battleships, and for scaling purposes they made the man smaller so it looks cooler. That's why they created this cheering small version of GLA infantry. I think there are others too that are so small. Right, let's get this started. 530 please. I think 15 is alright. Now I really need the coordinate increaser. What the fuck? This one. Increase by 10. This will take a while. So we need to create 15 lines. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, already failed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Actually, I have an idea. Maybe I'll do that. That's an excellent idea. Alright. That's genius. Ooh. Why haven't I thought of that earlier? Okay, we are not spawning in a new instance. As long as I am not around the first curve, that should be fine. Let's just decrease this by very much, like 5 frames. We need 15 repetitions. Alright. This might actually work. Still need to increase the wave by 1, I guess. Yes. Any mistakes? Yes. Did not increase this. Ah, fuck. Seems good. Seems good. Let's check it out. Oh, we still need to add the upgrade for the shoes. Oh, what the fuck? Why are you doing that to me? What the fuck? What happened? That looks so weird. What the fuck happened? Why? Did I do a mistake? Or is it not working like that? It should work like that. Oh, I did a mistake. Of course I did a mistake. Fuck. I'm increasing the X value. It's wrong. Alright. Let's undo that shit and do it probably this time. I need to increase the Y value. Yep. Happens. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do it right? Maybe. Let's see. Ooh. Nice. That was so easy to do. Why haven't I done it always like this? Okay, more frames, but not a lot. Not by a lot. Definitely not by a lot. Also, why is the last line fucked up? That's weird. Are they following the right path? Here they are. Okay. Whatever, let's just increase this to 10 frames for now and see what happens. And again, I still need to upgrade to shoes. Actually, I need to upgrade to shoes now and increase the time. Ah. Okay. GLA. EM. GLA structure. Black market. Unit, command button use, black market, use upgrade. What the fuck is this shit called? Command, upgrade, GLA. Where is it? There it is. Copy paste that shit. Put it here. Delete this. Alright. Now we increase the time for the first wave again. Because I need to get the timing right. You know they are moving faster with the shoes, so the frame rate for spawning needs to be adapted accordingly. But it still looks perfect. And they do have the shoes, it worked. Ooh. That looks so funny. It's perfect. You wouldn't think that that's 225 soldiers. But why is the last line fucked up? That's a little bit annoying. Now it's right again. Are they slower than normal workers, or is it just my imagination? Are they slower or are they not slower? I'm not sure. No, they are quicker. Okay, they're moving at the normal speed, I guess. I wish I could do something about this last line. Again, it's just my OCD. Maybe it fixes it again if I copy paste this one. Let's see about it. No, it's not fixed. Sad. Why are you like this? 0 hour. Always something unexpected. Could I fix it somehow? Maybe. Maybe not. Are they really easy? I think they would be too easy to kill, right? And they're cheering. How many soldiers can I spawn without crashing the game? I mean, that's already quite a lot, 225, but we are also very early in the game. And they're very... Oh no, I don't have to increase the number, because I wanted to do something else also. Because I only recently discovered a very nice trick you can do. You can actually spawn in. Oh no, I need to create a team for that. Have them unnamed, because we will need to spawn in a lot of them. And I'm talking about hospitals, of course. Because hospitals, the effect of hospitals stacks. So if you spawn in like 100 hospitals, it will heal hospitals? Infantry units so quickly that you can hardly kill them. So let's try that. To create a team still with name. Hospitals. Move that shit all the way up. Right. And we need to limit that to some sort of duration, so it doesn't affect other waves. So that's 20 hospitals. Let's see what that does. It's hard to see. Okay. How many did it kill? I think I need to spawn in a lot more. Let's do another 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright.